Hello everybody and welcome back to PixelMaagic for another video on logo designing. So today we're going to do a logo design for a company that produces chicken, mutton, egg and prawn and mushroom. Their demand is to put all those logo what they produce almost except mushroom. So it's a challenge for me to put all these shapes, all these symbols into one logo and collaborate it into a logo version which will be appealing, and aim is to it should look a little bit trendy and it should have all the symbols what they produce. So the sketch one we can see. So finally we build a logo for them and they are satisfied with all this color combination and logo concept. So for that, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, as you know, whenever a logo term comes, I always prefer Illustrator. So jump into Illustrator, and here, as you know, that click on Create New and put a canvas of 800 pixel into 800 pixel is the ideal size of a logo. Now our artboard is ready. Now the next part is to place the sketch what is done, because always a sketch is needed to be done before working out on a computer, because here we can produce lots of things. We can find out lots of things what the concept, what the company wants, what the client wants. So here I'm placing it to the artboard, aligning it properly. So in this layer I'm just going to lock it out and create another layer. Here I'm going to draw the whole logo, that is tracing the logo. So first I'm starting from the outer shape. There are two circles needs to be done. So holding shift and creating a circle. So here the inner part I don't need right now, we'll see it work it on later. So here just I have created the outline of the circle and making a copy out of it, holding Alt and placing it for the inner circle. You can see there are 3-4 things inside the logo: a fish which is curved, and a chicken, an egg and a goat. So all are shaped, all are abstractly present over there. Some of them are clearly visible. So we'll see while do the color. During the coloration time we'll change some of the colors to look it properly. So here I'm tracing the fish first. So here, as per the sketch, you should follow the sketch, but still if you see there is some modification is needed, we can do that. As per the outcome, we need to modify the shape. So the whole process I'm going to fasten up. Where we need to slow down, I'll slow down, no issue. But the process what you need to do it fast, I just will fasten up. Because there are a lot of shape to be traced, it will take little bit longer, using only pen tool and circle tool to make these shapes. You can see here chicken is merged with fish, egg and goat also, and this part what I'm drawing, it's also part of the chicken and may consider some part of the goat, a sitting goat. Now almost all the parts is done except this egg part. So for this one it's little bit a different shape, so here I'm taking a circle and using direct selection tool, making it little bit look like a shape egg. All the shapes is almost done except some minor adjustment needs to be done over there. Here I am deleting some points what I feel is unnecessary. During the tracing time we might have clicked some more click to make it a proper shape, but laterally you can make all the adjustment, we can delete all the points what we don't need, or if you feel that it's creating a little bit glitch on the overall shape. So as of now you can see that here it's just make a little bit better shape than the previous one what we have drawn in the tracing process. The same thing I'm doing for the next step. So whenever we are satisfied, move to next part. So here I'm giving some text, add some text to it. So created a copy out of it from the inner circle, and using that text on path tool, here I'm going to type it out. First of all, select all the text, just holding shift and end, clicking from the front, and shift and end if you press, then all those text will be selected. Now increasing the size and typing it out. So it may be a little bit bigger one, so I need to reduce the size. Around 14, 18, 21 will be okay. If I need, then I can increase the size, no issue at all. So here I'm just typing out the names what needs to be there in the logo. Just increasing the size by clicking shift and end, selecting all those text and clicking Ctrl Shift greater than symbol. So here I'm just making some adjustment. Oh, just became alternated size. So now it's done. Now place this letter into the logo. So it's need to be a little bit larger. There should be space, or it will be placed between the inner line and the outer line properly. Drag it from the corner holding shift and alt. It will increase this distance. This part I have left it by mistake, the tail part of the fish. Now it's done. I'm going to draw a star. This is no, little bit more points I need, so click on there and increase the points. 8 point. Now again 6 7 7. Okay, I'm just making the stars and put it in between the names to separate it. Copy those stars as per the need. See, all of these things have already been sketched before, planned before, and then we have to convert it to the digital format. So here for the name of the company, we need to draw a rectangle with curved corners, and the font what I am going to use is a calligraphy one. The font I am using for the company name is a free version of letter from Google. You can search Google fonts if you want to use them fonts. Google fonts are free to use without any licensing issue. And for the tagline, I'm going to use Weber's New, or you can say Weber's New, which tells nature's future. So here I'm just going to increase the distance between characters, making it 100. Yeah, now it's look better, and it's to be placed in between A and G. Yes. Now almost all the paths has been covered, all the logos is ready now. Now remove the reference image from the layer. Now it's time to color them. This logo I have already made it before, but for you I am just making it again, so I just didn't find out the proper color, so I'm going to use color picker to use the color picker to color them, which will produce the actual output what I have already did for them. So here they are. These are the color pickers what I have already made before. So as per those colors I'm going to color them. So I'm just putting an outline over there. That's done. Now moving to the eyes of goat. It's done. Now finding the egg. Yes, just hover the mouse over there, you can get the shape. So here I'm just moving. I want to give this gradient color to, it should feel like an egg symbol. But overall the shapes are looking little bit flatter. So to look it a natural view, we had to put some color blend things, but here I'm not going to blend it so smoothly, as this is a logo and it will be used in various areas. So we should define static blend, means that the blend should not be merged with colors. So here I'm just coloring the stars, and I'm going for the title part. Before moving, I'm just giving some brown, deep brown color to the outline of the rounded shapes. The title portion also, background should be black. So here I'm just coloring out the logo name. So I'm not going to use any other color except the color what we have used. There are various colors: yellow, red, white, black. Various colors have been used, so only stick to those colors. I'm just want to give to the name. Make some final adjustments and put some different color blends. So here, beginning from the fish, yes, just make the copy out of it, put it, so holding both the shapes. I'm going to do minus front using Pathfinder tool. So you can see a different shape is came out. Now move the shape to the image. I'm giving it red, some different color. Now move the shape and place it to, by adjusting it to the shape and place it. See, you can see there is a flat looking with this little change. It's look little bit better one. So I'm going to do the same thing for all the rest of the things. Again, doing the same thing for chicken part. So I'm going to give some different color. Yeah. Okay, moving to the egg now. Just changing some color combinations. Moving to the egg now. Now for egg, yes. Again, doing the minus front. So for egg, I'm not going to put it to the side, rather I'll put it to the right of the egg, because there is a gradient fill, so it will not make any difference if I put it to the left of the shape. So here I'm going to put it to the right, but I have to reduce the size and the shape of that one, which will look like a light has been fallen on it. Moving to the next part, that is the goat part. Create a copy out of it and again copy it out, holding both the shape. Click on minus front. So now select the shape, give a different color and place it to the original one. So here some adjustment need to be done. Yes. Now it's okay. So the overall logo is ready now. And if you are not satisfied, you can make some changes to the logo. This is the whole process. In this way it should be done. First the refinement of the images, then sketching process, then refine the sketch, then tracing, and after tracing the color combination, and then the logo will be ready. Now export this file to JPG, PNG or PDF, whatever file you can do it and convert it. And I will also present you the black and white version of this one, how it look like in black and white, because whenever we create a logo, it doesn't matter, sometimes it have to placed in color version, and in some places it need to be placed in black and white version. So we have to see both the version to whether it is clearly visible or not, whether the legibility is clear or not. This thing should be keep in mind whenever we are designing a logo. So thanks for watching, thanks for today, and if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe it to your friends, relatives, whoever in the field of the designing or whoever wants to a professional looking logo. And don't forget to click on notification button to get the notification of newly added video. Thanks for today. Have a good day.